The stock taillights on this truck disappointed me almost as much as I disappoint my parents. Well, Oracle Lighting has something that'll fix that problem. No, not mine, the taillights. The Oracle Lighting flush mount taillights are a great update to your F-150. They function just like your regular taillights, but with a few other tricks. These taillights offer a more streamlined look that your stock taillights never could, and damn, they're bright. And thanks to their modular design, you can easily paint the black housing to match your truck's color scheme, so they look like they were custom made for your ride. These LED lights put out over 4,400 lumens, so try not to look directly at them. Or do, if you're not too bright. Instead of normal reverse lights, you've got these micro LED light bars. Now you can see exactly what you're about to run into. Another cool feature is the dynamic turn signal effect. It's an animated LED effect that's sure to get the attention of other drivers on the road. And when you're just out for a drive, you'll have the signature perimeter LED lighting to ensure you're visible, helping to ensure the safety of you and your passengers. If you want to know more about the Oracle Lighting flush mount tail lights or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.